Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to stabilize videos in Capcut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Stabilizing videos here in Capcut is a simple process which is kind of helpful if you want to smooth out the motion, especially if you have filmed handheld or without a tripod, or you have used a shaky camera wherein the movement made the video look unprofessional or difficult to watch. So once you open the Capcut, I want you to click the project that you are working, or if you haven't already, just click the create a new project to begin your work. Now, in this scenario, I have like one video. It's stable. For example, you have a footage that is kind of unstable. I'm going to show you something. Look, we're going to go to the library. Click the unstable video. Stable. Let's search for kind of like a shaky video right here. For example, this one right here. We're going to drag this to our timeline. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna zoom this out so it's a lot easier to scrub it using the playhead. So I'm gonna drag this video right here. Let's see if it's unstable. Yes, there's a lot of movement. And basically, for you to be able to stabilize video, it's really easy. All I have to do is go to the video, not the photo, right? Any video, go to the basic editing. There is a section here that says stabilize. If you click that, there is more options along the way. You see it's processing right now. It's stabilizing the video. You can choose the recommended, which is going to be like for the whole length of your video, it's going to stabilize. But if you want to use the minimum cut, you can also do that if you wanted. And of course, you also have the option to click the most stable. You see right now, the processing may take some time, depending, of course, on your graphics hardware, if that it can handle the requirement. And all I have to do once it's done, all right, play the video from the beginning. And if the video still needs further adjustment, you can fine-tune the intensity of the stabilization by adjusting the slider here, all right, until you're happy with the result. Right now, I'm satisfied with the adjustments. And once you are happy with it and satisfied with the stabilized video, click the export button on the upper right corner to save your project or download in a different file formats. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.